Here we are at the Snowman. He cut himself short. It's going to cause a problem for him. There's still room for error. But if you cut that 4 or 5 feet out of it, you got to make a really tight turn. Real slow. He's going so slow. He's actually a younger man than when he started the Snowman. He went back in time. Yeah, I'm kidding. We have no fountain of youth here. It's a 650 Suzuki she's on. They are a very nimble motorcycle, great lean angle, smooth running bike. I got a feeling she could handle an 800-pound motorcycle with about an hour's practice. It's a Honda CB 600. Not known for a great turning radius, but able to do it. Use all the space you got available. And I know what you're thinking. Get that guy a sandwich. He's awful skinny. Well, we have cookies here as snacks, but no sandwiches. Oh, cut himself way short there, but 30-foot circle, you got that kind of room for error. Let's see if he does it again here. Sure enough, I'm betting he ain't gonna make it. Cut himself at least 8 feet short. Advise her never to commit a crime when she'll talk. A little bit of pressure, she's going to talk. Too rich.